Welcome to our maths class. Get ready with your stationery. Let's recap our yesterday's lesson, ordering decimal numbers. Order these lengths from smallest to greatest. I'll give you 1 minute now on. Okay, start. Okay, stop. Now, how to order these numbers? First, like yesterday, we need to order them in the place value chart. So 1.3, 2.4, 1.9, 0.9. Then look at the highest place value, and when we are ordering smallest to greatest, look at the place value. So all are having only ones place, and this is the smallest number. So this will become first. And then we have number 1, two numbers in the same place value. So then we will move on to the 10th place. So this is the second smallest. This will go as third. So as 2 is the highest number, this is the greatest. So you can use same method to order these decimal numbers. Okay, did you get all correct? Well done. If not, you need to recap your yesterday's lesson. So what are we going to learn today? Today is 1st of April 2020. Our LO is how to make one whole using decimal numbers. We are going to make one whole using decimal numbers. So for this, you need to recap your knowledge of fractions. Can you write the fraction of yellow color pieces and the blue color pieces separately? I'll give you half a minute. Okay, problem. Okay. So the yellow color fraction of yellow color pieces is 6 upon 10. Fraction of blue color pieces, it is 4. To make one whole, we need to put these fractions together. That means adding. One way we can say we are adding. So 6 yellow color pieces and 4 blue color pieces will make one whole. If we represent this fraction as a decimal number, we can write as 0.6 plus 0.4 makes 1 whole. Is this the only way to represent 1 whole? According to this diagram, this is the answer. But we can use our number bond knowledge to make 1 whole in different ways. Now see, we can make so we can if we make represent these numbers as decimal numbers, you can write, you can get different decimal number statements. Number sentences. Okay, so you can practice for different number sentences like this. Now what will happen if we split it into 3 parts? So obviously you know now this 10 upon 4 I'm going to split into 2 parts. This is one way, or you can write so, so like this. You can make different number sentences to make one whole. If we try it like this, 0.6 plus 0.1 plus this is makes one whole, or you can write this is one whole. So you can make in different ways. Now if we move on to hundreds, what is the fraction of yellow color parts here? Out of 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 43. Here 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 57. The purple color, fraction of purple color is 57. If we represent these numbers as a decimal number, it will so we can write it as a number sentence like this one. So is this the only way? No, we can represent it in different ways as addition number sentences as well as a subtracting number sentence. So look at here. Using the number bond knowledge, we can write this as 0.31 plus 0.69 equals to 1. So you can use your number bond knowledge. Here you can write. So you can practice so many different ways. See here, you can do so many ways to make one whole. Now, activity. I'll give you 1 minute to complete this activity. Okay. Okay. Let's check answers. See, this is easy, but this you need to think more. This is two holes. This is one hole. This is two holes. I know you can get correct both these, but some children will having problem of this. Just think how to make two holes, how to make three holes, same way. Here we go. Now, what will happen if this is a part of a hundreds? They have given each cube is worth 100. How many more cubes you need to make one whole? Here we have 10, 20, 30, 33. So how many more cubes do you need to make one whole? So again, you need to use your number boards knowledge. So we need 67 more cubes. So now this is your assignment. Today you have two assignments. This is the first one. This is the second one. Try to complete them. Thank you for today's lesson. Well done.